Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the EA Account Unlink error. First, check your EA account status. Open a browser on your phone or computer and go to EA Help. Sign into your EA account and check the penalty or account status page. If your account is disabled, suspended, or banned, unlinking will not work. In that case, you must contact EA support first. If the account is active, continue to the next step. Next, reset your EA account password. Go to the EA sign-in page and choose Forgot Password. Enter your EA account email and complete the reset. Create a new password you have not used before. After that, sign in again to confirm it works. This step often fixes invalid session or access errors. Now try unlinking from a different device. Do not use your console. Use a computer, laptop, or mobile phone instead. Open a web browser and sign in to your EA account. If you already tried on a phone, switch to a computer or the other way around. This can refresh the connection and make the unlink option work. If the problem is still not fixed, contact EA support. Go to help.ea.com and sign in. Select EA account as the topic, then choose an option like how to get back into your EA account. Scroll down and click Contact Us. Create a support case and clearly explain the issue, such as an old email you cannot access or a console account that is stuck. Mention that you reset your password and used another device. EA support can manually unlink the account after verifying your details. Thanks for watching.